Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Frigidaire Refrigerator Damper Control. It's going to be a very easy repair and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Damper Control. The Damper Control controls how much cold air goes from the freezer to the fresh food section. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's failed and the door stuck open and everything in the refrigerator is freezing, or the door stuck closed and the refrigerator is too warm. In order to change out the part, we have to open up the fresh food door. Once you have the door open, we have access to the damper control. It's up here in the upper left corner. First thing we're going to do is take the light lens off. We're just going to lift it up, and it's held on these two little tabs right here. To get it off the pin, you want to kind of close the light lens a little bit. Then you're going to have to reach up to where the pin is and pull the lens off. Once you have them both released, you can pull the light lens out of the fridge. Then we can remove the air filter. All you have to do is pull it out and set it aside. Once you have the filter out of the way, you can see the screw in the front. It's covered up by the filter, so you got to get that out of the way. We're going to use a 1/4 inch nut driver to take it out. Once you have the front one out, we can reach back and take the rear one out. Once you have it out, we can pull the cover out of the fridge. Now that we have the cover out of the way, we have access to the damper control. It's just held in by some locking tabs, so we're going to pull down and then tilt it out. Once you have it free, you can pull it out. Then we're going to reach in with a small flathead screwdriver to press on the locking tab so we can get the wiring harness off. Once you have that released, you can pull it out of the refrigerator. Here's the old damper control next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new damper control in, we're just going to hook up the wiring harness first. All you have to do is plug it in so you get a good connection. And then we're going to put the bottom in first and then tilt it up so it locks in. Once you have it in, we can put the cover back on. To put the cover back in, just want to line it up and slide it into place. And then we can use the 1/4 inch nut driver to put the screws back in. We're going to put the front one in first to hold up the front. And then the back. Then we can put the air filter back in. Just have to line it up, slide it back in. Once you have that in, we can put the light lens back on. Remember, when you put the light lens on, you just have to clip these feet onto the legs and snap it on. Once you have that installed, we can close the refrigerator door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.